Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning, check your bank account, and your balance reads $1 billion. $1 billion. No lottery, no inheritance, no catch. Just one question. Where would you invest it? Most people dream about buying private jets, mega yachts, and luxury mansions. But here's the truth. That's exactly how people lose fortunes. The world's richest people don't become richer because they spend money. They become richer because they know where to invest it. So today, let's build the ultimate $1 billion investment portfolio. One designed not just to protect wealth, but to grow it for generations. The golden rule. If you put all $1 billion into one investment, you're gambling. The wealthiest investors follow one simple rule. Never rely on a single source of wealth. Diversification is what protects fortunes during recessions, crashes, and unexpected events. Let's divide our $1 billion like a billionaire.
40%, the stock market, $400 million. The largest portion goes into high-quality companies and broad market index funds. Businesses have created more millionaires than almost anything else in history. Companies leading artificial intelligence, healthcare, technology, and consumer products have consistently rewarded long-term investors. Instead of chasing trends, own the businesses shaping the future. 25%, real estate, $250 million. Real estate provides something powerful: cash flow. Rental income arrives month after month, while property values often rise over time. Luxury apartments, commercial buildings, warehouses, even data centers. These assets can continue producing income for decades. 15%, private businesses and startups, $150 million. This is where fortunes can multiply. Many billionaires invest in promising startups before the rest of the world even knows their names. Most will fail, but one successful investment could return 10, 20, or even 100 times the original investment. High risk, but potentially extraordinary reward. 10%, safe assets, $100 million. Every billionaire keeps protection: gold, government bonds, cash reserves. These investments may not grow the fastest, but they're designed to survive uncertainty. When markets panic, these assets provide stability. 10%, the future, $100